شعبان.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وسلم. The month of Sha'ban, my dear viewers, when the month of Ramadan al-Mubarak comes, then immediately everybody is waiting. They're waiting to see the moon. Has the month actually come? Has it not come? Will we be fasting tomorrow? We need to prepare for everything. Never mind the month of Ramadan, the month of Sha'ban, the month which comes before the blessed month of Ramadan al-Mubarak. The companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as soon as they crescent the new moon of this blessed month of Sha'ban, the month of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as soon as it is seen, as soon as it is witnessed, then immediately the companions, they begin to recite the glorious Quran even more. They try to give the zakat, they be hasty, they try to give it as quickly as possible. Why? So that the poor people may also prepare for the blessed month of Ramadan. The governors, they summon all the prisoners, for if there was to be somebody from amongst them who was innocent, then they may be exonerated. So they may too prepare for the blessed month of Ramadan, and this does not hinder their preparation. It's said that when the blessed month of Sha'ban comes, then this is the way the companions, how they would react to the month of Sha'ban. What is the reason for this? Preparation for the blessed month of Ramadan. My dear viewers of Madani Channel, this month of Sha'ban holds indispensably, it holds so much importance, my dear viewers. But sadly, we turn a blind eye to the blessed month of Sha'ban. Our fasting should begin in the month of Sha'ban. Our extra good deeds, extra good acts, they should begin during the blessed month of Sha'ban. For Sha'ban is the preparation of Ramadan. Prepare for Ramadan by making the most of this blessed month of Sha'ban. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alihi wa ala alihi wa sallam.